Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CISE Topper Classes. Today we are going to discuss chapter 11 section formula exercise 11 question number 1 to 9. So let us start solving this exercise here in this video. Now let us solve question number 1. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment joining the following pair of points. So if we write now the midpoint coordinates, that will become 2 minus 6 by 2 comma minus 3 plus 7 divided by 2. Solving this, it will become minus 2 upon 2 means minus 4 upon 2, and this will be again 4 upon 2. So simply minus 2 here on solving, and 2 are the coordinates of the midpoint. Now the second part is 5 comma minus 11, and this is 4 comma 3. Again, if we want to find the midpoint of the coordinate, so that will become 5 plus 4 upon 2 comma minus 11 plus 3 upon 2. So that will become 9 by 2 and 8 minus 8 by 2. This will become 9 by 2 and this will become minus 4. Now the third part is we have to find the midpoint of a plus 3 comma 5b, and again 2a minus 1 comma 3b plus 4 equal to a plus 3 plus 2a minus 1 upon 2 5b plus 3b plus 4 upon 2. So that will become, on solving, 3a plus 2 upon 2 comma 8a plus 4 divided by 2. On solving, it will become 3a plus 2 upon 2. Taking 4 as common, that will become 2a plus 2 upon plus 1 upon 2. This will be cancelled out and we will get the coordinates as 3a plus 2 upon 2 comma 4a plus 2. Here this is 4b plus 2 because here we have added 5b plus 3b. Hence this is the final solution of question number first, second and third part. Now let us solve question number 2. P divides the distance between a minus 2 comma 1 and b in the ratio 2:1. Then calculate the coordinates of the point P. We have to find the coordinates of point P. This is in ratio 2:1, and the coordinates of A are minus 2 comma 1, of B are 1 comma 4. So simply, if you want to find the coordinates here on dividing the line in 2:1 coordinates of P, then that will become, firstly, formula is m1 x2 plus m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, and like this here m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Putting the values here in this formula, we will get m1 here. m1 ratio m2 is given to us as 2:1. So that will become 2 into 1 plus 1 into minus 2 upon m1 plus m2, 2 plus 1. m1 by 2 will become 2 into 4 plus 1 into 1 upon m1 plus m2 equal to 2 plus 1 equal to 2 minus 2 upon 3, then 8 plus 1 upon 3. That will become 0 here comma 3. So these are the coordinates of P, and this is the solution of question number 2 here. Now let us solve question number third, first part. Find the coordinates of the point of trisection of the line segment joining the points 3 comma minus 3 and 6 comma 9. So coordinates of the point of trisection of the line segment. So if there is trisection, means in three parts the points are divided. So if I see the line, this is the line, and this is the point 3 comma minus 3, this is the point 6 comma 9. In three equal parts, it is divided here. So like this it is divided. So here we have to find the coordinates of the point of trisection of the line segment joining the point 3 comma minus 3. So simply, firstly, we can find the coordinates dividing it into 2:1. So this is 2:1. If I find let q and this is let p, which finding value of q, that is dividing into 2:1. So if you want to find the value of q coordinates, that will become for me as equal to 6 into 2. So 2 into 6 plus 1 into 3 upon 2 plus 1 3, and again 2 into 9, 2 into 9 plus 1 into minus 3 upon 3 equal to 12 plus 3 by 3, 18 minus 3 by 3 equal to 5 comma 5. So these are the coordinates of q, that will become 5 comma 5. Now if we want to find the value of p, so p coordinates will be equal to, solving it as q and p, we have to find the midpoint of these 2 points. So that will become 3 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 plus 5 by 2 equal to 4 comma uh, that will become 2 by 2, that is 1. So these are the p coordinates, and this is the solution of question number third first part. Now let us solve question number 3 second part. The line segment joining the points 3 comma minus 4 and 1 comma 2 is trisected at the point p and q. If the coordinates of p and q are given to us as p minus 2 and 5 by 3 q respectively, we have to find the values of p and q. So these are the points here. A point is 3 comma minus 4, B point is 1 comma 2, and this is the point PQ. So that is P comma minus 2, and this is the point 5 by 3 comma Q. So if you want to find the values of P and Q here, so simply firstly we have to apply a formula for midpoint here, and then firstly formula of intersect ratio. So that is, firstly, we are going to use section formula for finding the value of q, which is in 2 ratio 1 divided. So simply by a section formula, coordinates of q we can write coordinates of q equal to, we will get as 3 into 1 into 2, 1 into 2 plus 3 into 1 upon 3, then 2 into 2 plus minus 4 into 1 upon 3 equal to 2 plus 3 upon 3, 4 minus 4 upon 3 equal to 5 by 3 comma 0. Now if we want to find the coordinates of p equal to 5 by 3 plus, we can write 5 by 3 plus 3 divided by 2, and like this minus 4 plus 0, the q value is 0 divided by 2. So simply from there we have find it 5 by 3 plus will become 5 plus 9 upon 3 into 1 by 2, and this is minus 4 by 2 as minus 2 only. So simply it will become 14 by 3 into 1 by 2 comma minus 2, means the value of p we have to find in the coordinate of p is 7 by 7 by 3, and this is minus 2, means the value of p small p is 7 by 3, and the value of q small q is 0. So this is the final answer which we have to find in this question, and this is the solution of question number 3 second part. Now let us solve question number 4. The line segment joining the points this and this is divided at the point P in the ratio 1:2, and it lies on the line 3x minus 18y plus k equal to 0. Then we have to find the value of k. So simply, if this is the ratio dividing the point P, so let the point P this and let point A as 3 comma 2 and the point B as 5 comma 1, then the ratio here will become 1:2, and then if it is dividing it in 1:2, then this by applying succession formula we can get the coordinates as of P equal to 1 into 5, 1 into 5 plus 2 into 3 upon 3, then 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2 upon 3 equal to 5 plus 6 upon 3, 1 plus 4 upon 3 equal to 11 by 3, then 5 by 3. So these are the coordinates of P. If that point P lies on this line, then the coordinates should be verified by this line. So if we put the value of coordinates in this as x and y, that will become 3 into, and from there we will find the value of k. So 3 into 11 by 3 minus 18 into y 5 by 3 plus k, where we have to find the value of k only. This will be cancelled out by 6. This will be simply cancelled out. 11 minus 30 plus k equal to 0, where that will become k equal to 19. So minus 19 will go on positive. So this is the value of k which we have to find in this question. We have to find the value of k only, and this is the final solution of question number 4. Now let us solve question number 5. Find the coordinates of the point which is 3/4 of the way from A to B. So if it is 3/4 of the way from A to B, then simply we can write, if AP is given to us as 3/4 of AB. So simply, if this is the point A, that is 3 comma 1, this is the point B minus 2 comma 5, then the ratio will be, which is P is divided, is 3:1. So if we find the value coordinates of P, so the coordinates of P will become here equal to 3 into minus 2 plus 1 into 3 upon 4, then 3 into 5 plus 1 into 1 upon 4, equal to minus 6 plus 3 upon 4, 15 plus 1 upon 4, equal to minus 3 upon 4, 4. So this coordinates of P are this, and this is the only solution. Means we have to find the coordinates of only this point P. Hence this is the final answer of question number 5. Now let us solve question number 6. The line segment joining these 2 points is a diameter of a circle whose center is C. Then we have to find of the coordinate of point C. Then this is minus 3 comma 1. This is point B 5 comma minus 4, and the point C, which is the midpoint of these 2 points. So the midpoint coordinates here of C. Midpoints coordinates of C will become as minus 3 plus 5 by 2 equal to minus 4 plus 1 by 2 equal to 2 by 2, and this will be minus 3 by 2. So this will be cancelled out, and we will get 1 comma minus 3 by 2 as the coordinates of point C. And this is the solution of question number 6. Now let us solve question number 7. The midpoint of the line segment joining these points is this, and we have to find the values of M and N. So if midpoint is given to us, we can find the value of M and N from there. So simply midpoint formula for this point we can apply. So that will become x1 plus x2 upon 2, here y1 plus y2 upon 2, which is equal to 1 comma 2m minus 1 according to this part. So putting the value of x1 and x2, that will become 3m plus minus 4 upon 2, 6 plus 3n upon 2 equal to 1 comma 2m minus 1, that will become 3m minus 4 equal to 2, and here 6 plus 3n equal to 4m minus 2. 3m will become 6, cancelling this part, m is equal to 2, and this will become 4m here this is 6 plus 3n equal to 4m minus 2. So putting the value of m, we can solve it. So simply 6 plus 3n equal to 4 into 2 will become 8 minus 2. 6 plus 3n equal to again 6. This will be cancelled out. 3n equal to 0 means n is equal to 0. So the value of n in this question is 0, and the value of m is 2. And this is only the final solution of question number 7 here. Now let us solve question number 8. The coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment PQ are this. And then the coordinates of P are given, we have to find the coordinates of Q. Let these coordinates of P as x comma y, the coordinates of midpoint here at PQ of line PQ, let that be A as 1 comma minus 2, and let this point Q as, we have to find the value of Q. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So putting the values, P is given to us as minus 3 comma 2, and Q we have to find, means the value of x2 comma y2. So simply midpoint formula we know only, we will simply apply that formula for A of A. So simply it will become x1 plus x2 means minus 3 plus x2 upon 2, and this is 2 plus y2 upon 2. Coordinates of a we know 1 comma minus 2. So putting the values on comparison, minus 3 plus x by 2 and 2 plus x2 by 2, 2 plus y2 upon 2. So solving it, we will get 2 equal to minus 3 plus x2 equal to 5 is equal to x2, and this will become minus 4 equal to 2 plus y2 minus 6 equal to y2. So this is the answer, means the value of x2 comma y2. Putting the values here, we will get 5 comma minus 6 as the coordinates of point Q, and this is the solution of question number 8. AB is the diameter of a circle with center C, and if point A is this, we have to find the length of radius AC. So if this is the center, then the radius AC we have to find here. Point A we know only. So if we want to find the length, we will apply the distance formula here of AC will become under root of x2 minus x1 ka whole square plus y2 minus y1 ka whole square. Putting the values here, x1 and x2 are this and this. So simply 3 minus 2 ka whole square plus y2 minus y1 minus 7 minus 5 ka whole square equal to 3 plus 2 ka whole square plus minus 7 minus 5 का whole square. Putting the values, 3 plus 2 5 का whole square plus 7 plus 5 12 का minus 12 का whole square equal to 25 plus 144 equal to 9 6 169 equal to 13 is the answer here. Now the second part, the coordinates of B. So if you want to find the coordinates, if AB is the diameter, then that will become simply minus 2 comma 5 equal to 3 plus x upon 2 minus 7 plus y upon 2, that will become minus 4 equal to 3 plus x is equal to 5 7 5 into 2 will become 10 equal to minus 7 plus y 17 equal to y. So these are the coordinates of B. Minus 7 comma 17 is the final answer, means answer of question number 9 second part, and this is the solution of question number 9. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.